How to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop for free. So if you want to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and you can search for Steam. Go with Steam website, and from here you can go with install Steam, which is on the top right, and you'll be able to install the Steam. So once you've installed, you can open up your Steam application. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait. Once you open up your Steam application, now here you can go with search, which is here on the right side. Go with search and search for GTA San Andreas. Once you've searched, you will have your GTA right here. So you can simply choose any game that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with this one. Once you've selected your game that you would like to download, then you need to enter your date of birth. And after that, you can go with view page. Scroll down and here you will have add to cart option. You just need simply go with add to cart, and once you go with add to cart, you need to go and proceed to pay, because without paying you won't be able to play this game. So it's not free, you need to pay for the game. You need to just enter your payment method, and after entering your payment method you may have some free trials, and your game will be downloaded once you pay for it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.